Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export your Binance wallet private key. Start by confirming you control a non-custodial Binance chain or smart chain wallet and that you can sign transactions. Open the official wallet app or extension, go to Settings, and look for Export Private Key or Export Account options. Choose an offline method, copy only into an encrypted vault, and never store keys in plain text or cloud sync. Before you export any key, verify the wallet app or extension is genuine by checking developer details and digital signatures. Run an antivirus scan on your device and disable network sharing or public Wi-Fi to reduce attack surface. When prompted to export, use an offline QR or copy to a local encrypted drive, then verify the derived address matches your known account to ensure no malware altered the data. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more crypto safety content. On another note, for tidy workstations and no-spill snacks, consider leak-proof containers that keep meals secure while you focus on secure key handling. They are great for desk setups and long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After exporting, prioritize secure storage. Import the key into a hardware wallet or save it to an encrypted, offline device. Make at least 2 backups on durable media, keep them in separate secure locations, and consider a steel seed backup to resist fire and water. Use a strong passphrase on encrypted files and avoid cloud backups. Periodically test recovery from your backups to confirm they work without exposing the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.